So let's just get right into it. This is my hair a week after um, my last wash and retwist. So it looks a little crazier than usual because I haven't been putting it up to sleep. I haven't been wrapping it or anything. So I'm just gonna go in with my oil, I don't even have a name for it. I made that oil myself. I used um castor oil. It's mainly castor oil, but it has some olive oil in there. There's rosemary oil, lavender oil, almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and um, avocado oil, if I didn't say that already. But yeah, so um, I'm in between washes right now, so I'm moisturizing my scalp because I've been feeling a little itchy. Um, I like to keep my scalp moisturized, moisturized scalp is a healthy scalp. So as I'm going through my hair, moisturizing my scalp, I'm also like separating my locks so that it's easier when I have to retwist it. Because sometimes, like, if I don't do that, my hair will get stuck together. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do that on my whole entire head. So, moving to the back of my head, my crown has always been like the worst part of my hair. The hair at my crown, it never wants to cooperate. It's always like it never wanted to curl up properly. It was always the driest. Um, and so, I thought with my locks it would be a little more manageable, but no. So I'm 4 months in, right? And as you can see, like I have a lot of flyaways, and it's the worst at the crown of my head, basically. And like in the back. It's also worse because I haven't been wrapping my hair to sleep. So, the back of your head I lay my head on my pillow at night and it gets crazy. But I feel like it's maturing nicely though. I don't know if it's something that I'm doing or if it's just my hair or if it's just the fact that I started with two strand twists, but I like the thickness of them and I like how they fall and how they still look like my curls. I really, really like that. That wasn't so bad. So now I'm just gonna take some oil and run it through the length of my locks. I like to keep my hair moisturized because I feel like it just makes my hair look better. When my hair is moisturized, it looks darker, and when it's not, it looks real ashy. So in between each wash, I wash my hair every 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and in between each wash, I do this. I oil my scalp and whatever. But this part, I don't do it every time. I'm doing it now because I just want to clean up my edges. So I'm just going in and I'm kind of like retwisting the front, but without any gel. I would usually use flaxseed gel, but I'm not using any now because I just retwisted my hair last week, and this is just a little cleanup. So here's just a close-up of what my locks look like. They're starting to get a little matted. The budding is a lot more noticeable. I have a lot of um places in my locks where it's just like OD budding. Like it looks like a big old clump. I don't know how I feel about that. Um my friend tells me to palm roll it, but it's not really like working. So you see like that little bulb. That's definitely because I used two strand twists, but I don't know what to do about that. So if you got any tips for me, it's greatly appreciated. Thanks. And that's the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. And feel free to leave me some tips in the comments about my budding issues. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.